Good morning, students. So today we are going to start the next topic from writing section, that is letter writing. As we know, in letter writing, two types. First one is formal letter and the second one is informal letter. But here for this year 10th standard, we have to discuss only with formal letters, not informal letters. And in formal letters also some different types we have that we will discuss now. But before going to the types of this letter, formal letters, let us discuss something general about the letter writing. As we know, letter writing, it is an essential skill. It has become an essential part. Though in spite of emails, some text messages I wrote in brief, text messages, emails, but still in spite of all these things, letter writing, it has become one of the most important means of communication. In spite of all these email or the different sources of medias, all these things, but still it holds its own importance. What? Letter writing. As we know, in commerce, trade, then official correspondence, public representation, next one is complaints and other dealings are still conducted through letters. All these things, maybe we can discuss about the commerce, trade or officials, all these things here, or any kind of the complaint that we used to take the help of letters. So now, after this one, let us have some discussion about the types in general. First, formal letters. In the formal letters, first that is complaint letter. Now, in complaint letter, in 9th standard also, I think we had a little bit discussion over this type complaint letters. Complaint letters are lodged for what? Or to lodge a complaint. If we have any kind of the problem, so we used to write a letter to the officer or any kind of the person responsible. So to lodge a complaint, such types of the letters are used. It can be addressed to a public or a private company or any organization. Organization in brief I wrote. If we have any problem in our locality, in our area, so to lodge a complaint, maybe the drainage problem, maybe the garbage problem or stray animals, anything. So if we want to lodge a complaint, so we can take the help of this side. Coming to the next one, inquiry letters. When inquiry letters are written, so when a person wants to get more information, something more information about a product, a service, so that time we can take the help of this letter, inquiry letter, if you want to get more information. Second, next one is coming, letters for placing an order. So generally, most of the times, this type of letter is asked, placing an order. So these are the business letters. Generally, these are the business letters, and it includes letters for cancellation also. If you want to cancel the order, it includes. Next, if you want to make some amendments. Amendments means for example, this time or the last time that we have ordered some 50 books or 50 whatever the things that, but if you want to make the amendments, now instead of 50, if you want to ask only 30, 40 or 100, if you want to increase, so any kind of the amendments that comes here, or the cancellation of the order. Suppose you are the librarian of this and this school there, and if you being a librarian, you want to place an order for some books, some magazines, some science magazines. So that time, or as a sports teacher of the sports department in your school, if you want to place an order of some sports equipments, that type of the letters here, that matter comes here, where letters for placing an order. Now coming to the next one, letters to the editor. And now this is the question which most of the time it is asked now onwards. In 11th and 12th standard also this is the compulsory question. Writing a letter to the editor. We used to write a letter to the editor on some general points or some problems, general problems in the society or all these things. Or suggesting some or giving some solutions, some measures. We can discuss about some general problems or the issues prevalent in the society, all these things. So such issues or such topics comes under this heading, that is writing a letter to the editor. So children, here in this way, under this heading formal letters, we have to discuss now all these types. With one or two examples, we will go ahead. Complaint letter, inquiry letter, then placing an order, and finally that is letters to the editor. So here in this way we have discussed in general about this letter writing. Now in the next video module, something we will discuss about the steps how to write a letter or steps of writing a letter. Thank you, students.